Hi, no one requested this, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Today I'm going to be baking. The only thing is they're quite unhealthy. All of these pretty much are red, so... This video is a collab with Mel. She's great. Links down below, go check her out. She's literally my favourite person ever. Go subscribe. I've got these trousers on, which makes me look like a chef, and also a white top, so what more could you want? I was in IKEA yesterday and I thought, well, I kind of need an apron. I don't. I saw this one. The only reason I chose this one was because I looked at it and this was the picture of the person wearing it. Basically, I'm going to be talking out my stress for like 10 minutes or however long this video is going to be, so enjoy. I hope you have a fun time and welcome to my channel if you're new. Today we're doing this recipe. I say this recipe, it's literally add a few eggs and milk or whatever it is. But anyway, Paul Hollywood, great cook, right? Well, we're going to see, we're going to test it out, because if he's not, then he's not, and if he is, then great. For today's video, I even bought new cooking utensils. So I bought a wooden spoon, an essential, you know. Bought a big whisk and a little whisk because I thought they were cute and they're multicoloured, and why not? Oh, I need to wash my hands. Okay, hygiene. Okay, so last week I started college. Been kind of traumatic so far. Preheat the oven 190 degrees. I don't know what type of oven mine is. We're gonna go for 190 because that's the highest. You couldn't see, but I just preheated the oven, so believe it or not, I am a chef. Okay, well this is where we encounter our first problem. I don't have a baking tin. I think I might just use this. You're positioned right in front of the fridge and it's very inconvenient. And we're gonna just use this from it and grease it, because I am a chef. You'll believe it by the end of this video. College update. I'm not doing well. Thursday, we started our lessons and we started walking to our lessons. I thought, have I got a lesson? So I had like 2 frees and I was like, what do? I have 0 friends right now. They're all in lessons and I'm currently on my own in the middle of a college that I'm kind of lost at. So I went and sat in a library and I was just sat there like pretending to do work, hoping that someone would actually believe it. They didn't. My college day from like when I leave and get back to my house is from like 7:30 until 6. So it's a long day. And believe it or not, we get frees at college and I had no idea what to do with my frees. And then Friday came along. I got into college and I was like, oh, okay, I had literally the entire morning of frees until 12. So I was like, okay, I'll bring in like my SD card, I can walk into like the local town, you know, do a bit of editing in a coffee shop. I was like, yes, it's gonna be such a great day, I'll find my way to the town, everything. I left my purse on the coach and it drove away. My purse had my bank card, my student ID, my bus pass to get home, my 2 SD cards with all of my holiday photos, my holiday footage, all of the footage I was gonna edit, my memory stick with work I had done on it, and money. So, as you can imagine, I was kind of freaking out a little bit. I was like, just walking with my friend into the local town. I was like, wait, I just need to double check that I've got my SD cards. Look in my bag, and I'm like, shit, I've left it on the bus. Also, what am I gonna do for the next 3 hours? So I was like, right, okay, Laura. Sort something out, you know, sort yourself out, put yourself together. I decided, you know what, I'm going to go to the library. Yes, the library, that's where I belong. So I was looking on the college website like, okay, I've literally got nothing to do. So I was just sat there and I was like, I've got 2 hours of looking at the college website. And then I made a friend and she was really nice. And we walked back into the town. So during my freeze, during the entire day, I was walking back and forth from the town. But yeah, that was traumatic. I almost lost my SD cards, but the hero bus driver found them. Thank you to the bus driver, thanks everyone, thanks mom. That was traumatic, and now I'm like scared of having frees because I'm like, I don't want to take my SD cards because I'll probably lose them. So basically my frees for the next week are going to involve me sitting and pretending to be doing work for like 4 hours. So yeah, anyway, that's how college is going. Also, why is this taking me so long to grease this? Like, genuinely, this is like... I keep hearing noises and I'm home alone, so come out wherever you are. I'm hoping my brother and dad will, like, you know, lengthen out their trip to wherever they're going, because this might take me a while. Next step. Okay, so basically this video is me baking my stress away, because I'm stressed about everything possible to be stressed about. I'm not doing well at all. So we're gonna bake like Paul Hollywood, aren't we? Using an electric mixer, blend the melted butter into the entire brownie mix. So I've got to melt the butter. Okay, so I've got my mixing bowl, and now I realise how stupid this looks. But don't discriminate against my mixing bowl. It's pretty damn cool, and it makes the best cupcakes, so just saying. Let's try and actually melt something. Ooh, okay, it's got like 50 gram things on the back. That is so helpful. This is like about 150. It says on the thing that it is, so if it goes wrong, Sainsbury's and Paul Hollywood are not in my good books. Geez, that is a heck of a lot of butter. Surely we don't need that much. We're going to hope that that works. I'm going to get the brownie mix out. Oh, right. There we go. Alright, well, looks like I'm going to be eating like 40 of these in a day, so... Jeez, well, now that you've seen me have a mental breakdown and choke, you're a true subscriber. Oh, it's actually worked a bit. Start exploding. I don't think that's a good sign. I'm kind of scared of this butter, not gonna lie. Blend the melted butter into the entire brownie mix, with the mixer running slowly. We won't have a problem with the mixer running slowly, let's be real. Okay, well I haven't beaten the eggs yet. Right, got the eggs. How many eggs do I need? 3 medium eggs. I've got large eggs. You know what, 3 will do, it's fine. Okay, so basically, the reason I bake is either I'm really stressed out or I need to eat my worries away. So either way, I am getting rid of my worries with baking. So you're just here to enjoy the ride with me. Crack that. Ooh, that was better than last time. I'm getting better. After your tips from the last video, when I couldn't crack an egg, I'm getting better. Oh, I've just realised I can use the little whisk to whisk this. Oh, perfect, perfect, okay. Right, let's whisk the eggs. Right, I need to take a thumbnail, so I'm going to take the thumbnail now, so. I don't really know what I'm doing, if you gathered that by now, because stress is real. It's taking over my life, and I've been back at college for 3 days. Literally 3 days. What am I doing? Blend the melted butter, okay. Oh shit, it said running slowly. Literally look at it. It looks like animal droppings. This is not, oh dear. Honestly, you wait. I'll be on like MasterChef next year and you'll all be shook. So don't judge me. I feel like my family are just gonna come back as I'm like in the peak of my cooking career. I mean, to be fair, that could be worse, couldn't it? You know what? That's kind of nice though. It's not like I could have gone wrong with this recipe. I literally had to add 2 ingredients, but still I managed to add the wrong amount of egg and forget that the butter had to be melted. So, right, so now it's time to actually put them into there and into the oven. So, let's go. Oh, that's all right actually. Okay, but Mary Berry Who. I would like to address the naming issue of my channel. Because I get so many comments and apparently I may as well not have a name. My name's Laura, and the reason my channel is called Perks of Law and not Perks of Laura is because that username was taken on Instagram when I was going to go and use it, and my nickname throughout school and like life was Law, so I just changed it to Law. We're just working with what we have, and that's what you have to do in life, so retweet. Also, Mel stands who have come from Mel's channel to my channel. I know she's a lot funnier than me, but we just need to accept everyone, you know? I'm going to put the me background music in this video because it's a collab with Mel, and it's going to hurt me because I would love to put like aesthetic music in the background, but we're going to do it for Mel. We're going to do it for Mel. So Mel, if you're watching, you put me through hell. I'm joking. Okay, so some of these are bigger than others and some of them are really just not existent. But we're not going to discriminate in the Perks of Law households. Just realize you can't even see, like I literally set the camera up so you can see and then I put it, whatever, I put it in the oven, okay? Heck yes, my brownies are done. Let's take them out. I feel like they could be burning because I've got that scent of burning, you know? No! They're burnt. Look.
Did you make the brownies in there?
Well, what else do you want me to make it in? That's like rusty.
We just gotta get it in a mold.
Yeah, but it's like...
They look nice. They smell good.
yeah, they're a bit burnt. That's why you can smell them.
Colour grade the video. No one knows.
I want to eat one so badly, like right now, but they're kind of still...
Yeah.
they just come out the oven.
I'll eat it.
I'll eat the small one.
Nice. Because you need a bit of a crunch to it for a brownie, right? But
I think that was the intended crunch.
we are a
You
little
can taste the burn.
Yeah, it's in a good way. Kind of.
Okay, so conclusion on today's video. I have my brownie here. I've got another one, yes, but you remember the share the other one, so that one doesn't count. They're a little charred, but again, no discrimination on the Perks of Law channel. I'm now going to sit here for like 3 hours and work my ass off to get this video up for tonight. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and follow my social medias if you'd like to. Also, go subscribe to Mel, check out her video, she's a lot funnier than me, and she's great. So, go check her out. We can conclude that Paul Hollywood is a good cook. I, however, am not. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.
Hey, yo.